How about no tax on tips? How about no tax on overtime? How about no Social Security? How about all those things? These are the kind of thoughts that will change America. I know what his goal is. No tax for anybody who makes less than $150,000 a year. That's his goal. And that's what I'm working for.
So no tax on anyone under $150,000 in income. This is an interesting one. We'll see how it plays out. Currently, the way that it works is there's anyone who makes under $15,000 doesn't pay any tax, and that's because of something called a standard deduction. If they're married, a household that earns less than $30,000 pays zero tax. So how I see this playing out in practicality could be an increased, a way increased standard deduction amount. Let's say if it's $150,000 for single and $300,000 for married filing joint, that would be interesting, and it would certainly wipe out tax for almost everybody. It would also make it so almost nobody is itemizing their deductions. And that's where you write off your donations, you write off your mortgage interest, property taxes. So if that's the route that it went, you'd see almost no benefit to owning a mortgage other than the appreciation on the house, or you'd see no benefit tax-wise to giving to charity unless they had another way to deduct that. So it's gonna be interesting to see how this plays out, but I don't see it being the current tax brackets and just once you go from $150,000 to $160,000, suddenly you're paying a bunch of taxes on the amount. I think it would be an increased standard deduction if this happens at all. And then we'll see how it plays out with the no tax on Social Security, tips, and overtime, et cetera, because those are all different wrinkles that are a little more complicated than just raising the standard deduction. What do you think? Should they get rid of the income tax on anyone under $150,000 in income? Let me know in the comments.